everyone, and welcome to this presentation. My name is Natalie Qatar and I am Emil Qatar's mom. I will be showing you how to assemble this medical gown. First, we are going to start with the type of fabric that we are using. We have one side that is the adhesive side, and the other side is kind of a soft fabric side. We definitely need you to pay attention on which side you are working, because the fabric side will not glue on the adhesive side. So you need the adhesive side to be on the same side. Let's describe our panels. We have one piece for the front panel. We have two pieces for the back panels and the two sleeves. So first we need to figure out how to cut the neck. We need the front panel. We need to measure smack in the middle, 6.75, 6 inches, 0.75, and fold it in the middle, and then cut deep, 4 inches deep, right in the middle. We fold the panel, sorry, we fold it where we did the measurement, in the middle, and then we cut right here, that's the 4 inches, and then we cut a semicircle. First, front panel cut. So after we cut the neck, we lay our front panel, the soft side outside, and we lay it to overlap the first back panel, shiny to shiny. And this is, again, the only side that will have the adhesive, and this is how we're gonna glue it together. This is movable iron board, and we cover it with aluminum foil, just so we don't damage the fabric or the iron board. We measure almost an inch, and we start pressing a low heat iron all the way to the neck. If you can see, we did not put the second panel yet. We are only subjecting the two panel, the first front panel with the first top panel together. As you can see, now these two are glued together. We are now overlaying the second back panel, shiny side to the shiny side. Make sure that we join the corner and take the same amount, 1 inch deep, apply the heat. So our front panel will be glued to the two back panels that we have. Now the iron has to be on low because it will tend to melt and not work if we put it on high. Now that we have both back panel and front panel together, what I'm going to do is I am going to pin both back panels, which will be much easier, and that's gonna make my life much easier when I want to attach the sleeves. We're finished laying the front panel and the two back panels and cutting the neck. What we need to do is we need to flip this to the back to show the shiny side. And this is the hem that we created by gluing the two shiny parts next to each other. Next, we will bring the first sleeve. We'll take the bigger side and we will overlay it. And as you can see, I made myself, just to make it easy on myself, I put a line here to overlap the middle with the seam right here. And I will, again, measure 1/2 inch and iron to glue these two parts. And this is where my sleeve will fold backward, and I will be able to move you to the next step. Make sure you apply extra pressure right in the middle where the seam of the neck and shoulders are joined. We have attached both sleeves to the gown. Now we have the sleek side is on top. What we need to do right now to attach the rest of the sleeves is we will show you right here how the gown right now is looking. So what we will do is we will attach this side, the bottom side of each sleeve, and then the side corner will show you how. Starting with the armpit, we definitely will measure 1 inch, almost 1 inch, and we press super hard right here in this area on the armpit because we have several layers of the fabric together. So this corner is a bit, I would say, sensitive because we need to apply a lot of pressure on it. And then we go down the sleeve 1 inch, applying as much heat, as much pressure as we need. Once we completed the sleeves, what we will do is we will also tape them on top of each other, and we will kind of measure 1 inch deep and iron this part, both sides and both sleeves. We'll show you how. We make sure that the sides are lined up and we go 1 inch deep right there. This wooden ruler is coming in handy, just so we can have a straight path while ironing. And here's our gown. All we need to do is to attach the Velcro in the middle and the back panels.
Alright.
Aluminium!
Alright, let's switch. Keep rolling, dog.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. I want to thank my husband, my beautiful 3 children who had supported me.
Woo, especially the youngest.